The screens in this house seem to work very well. There's a copious amount of bugs on that screen, but there's not a single bug in the room. None in the lamp, none on the wall next to it. This is at home. All these bugs would be on the wall. I think the other window has got quite a few of them too. And it's kind of surprising because this doesn't really make a good seal. I would think even that little bit of movement would potentially be enough for one of those bugs to pass through, but it doesn't seem to be enough. The only problem with this design is that in order to close the window, you have to open the screen. So I guess the windows are staying open tonight. I mean, they would have anyways, but if it starts pouring rain or something, it would be nice to have the ability to just close it and not let all these bugs into the house.